Imagine yourself in this Kia 2021 Seltos EX. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 146 horsepower, 2-liter inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, air conditioning with climate control, all-wheel drive, audio controls on steering wheel and Bluetooth. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.